Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made Taiwanese popcorn chicken. The ingredients are listed below. First is to prepare the marinade. In a bowl, put in boneless chicken thigh, cut into cubes, and put in grated garlic and ginger, followed by sugar, salt, soy sauce, 5-spice powder, Shaoxing wine, and white pepper. Mix everything well until all the juices have been absorbed by the chicken. Then cover the bowl with a cling wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes until overnight. After marinating, remove the cling wrap and prepare the breading. I will be using coarse sweet potato flour. Dredge the chicken into the breading until everything is coated well. Leave it for 10 minutes. In a hot oil, fry the chicken until it crisps up and set it aside. Followed by frying the Thai basil until it becomes crispy. In the same oil, make sure to double fry the chicken to make it crispy and crunchy. Let the paper towels absorb the excess oil and sprinkle the fried Thai basil on top. Then don't forget to add in Szechuan pepper and salt seasoning while it's still hot. And you may now serve your Taiwanese popcorn chicken. Enjoy!